Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button. Well, hello there and welcome to another video by RA Solutions. In this video what I'm going to be doing is showing you how you can save time by filling cells automatically. What I mean by this, if we have a look at this table here, you can see that obviously this cell here is the calculation of adding this, the value in this cell with this cell gives you whatever's in here. Now obviously with businesses what they would need to do is do lots of different calculations to add their numbers up, and if they've got lots of different values to add up, that could take quite a bit of time. Now there is an easy way to fill these cells in automatically, so they will have the same formula as what this has got up to add this and this. If we just hover over this one, click on it, you can see that the formula that we've used here is equal sum bracket open C4 colon D4 bracket closed, then enter. I want that same formula to be in this cell and this cell based on the values in here and here. So what I do, first and foremost, rest the cursor on here on the cell that's yellow, then go towards the bottom right hand corner of that cell until the cursor changes to a black cross, and then you click on the left mouse button and you drag your cursor down to the other cells like that. Okay, and there we have it. Now what that's done, it's automatically added the formula in the other three cells. So this one has got the formula equals sum bracket open C5 colon D5, so on and so forth for the other cells. So that's really a quick and easy way to add to save time by filling cells in automatically based on what's in there. For example, in this scenario it was a formula. So I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.